I just want to give a live look of the dash cam. It's a 32 GB SD card, and it's 1920p dash camera for cars. It's super night vision and 6IR light. It's a 170 wide angle dash cam, 3-inch dashboard loop recording, WDR, G sensor, parking monitor, motion detection, and I think it's good. It's 6IR light speed light vision, and makes it brilliant to get extremely crisp image, and it get great detail even in poor lighting situations. And these things are really handy to have, I know that. And this one's an affordable one, and it's great quality, still great quality. And but anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick look of it. And well, I should probably turn it on, or it's still hard. I'll turn it on, but you don't really see much. Yeah. Well, I can't see much now. Well, that's cleared, and I think I just thought you wouldn't see it. Well, there's tape on the front, so. But it's just, I don't know, when camera on camera, this one, on the means of getting another phone, I have time to pick it up, but anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick look of it, and I think it's pretty good. There's protection stuff on the screen too, that's why it's showing a little blurry, and plus it'll show it anyway with the way I'm pointing it and the lighting. And I just moved, and I still got a lot of boxes to go through, and I gotta look for all my stuff. I got that everywhere. I've just been really busy. And anyway, I want to show you this. It's long wiring, and it's great affordable, you know what I mean? I think this is great for like anything really. But anyway, wherever you're watching from, a great morning or a great evening. Thanks for watching my video review.